Dr. Men believes eating less, eating often is the secret to sustaining health. Small, mindful meals ease the digestive load, foster recovery, and restore balance to life.
Eat less, eat often. Dr. Men's advice for chronic and critically ill patients. Eating smaller, more frequent meals lightens the digestive load and aids recovery. Mindful eating is the simplest, yet most effective form of health management. Ordinary people are bound by life's pressures, struggling to balance meals and work. Dr. Men advises, prioritize 3 meals, focus on quality, and control portions. Good health begins with consistency, a refined breakfast, a reasonable lunch, and a light dinner. Ms. Lee, 61, faced life-changing challenges after a brain hemorrhage. Dr. Men prescribed small, warm, and frequent meals, emphasizing, avoid overeating and cold foods. Careful eating during illness is the key to regaining health and strength. Ms. Howe, 79, living with ovarian cancer, struggled with bloating and constipation. Dr. Men advised, eat lightly and warmly. Illness slows digestion and metabolism. Food must nourish the body, not burden it. With illness comes time to reflect and recover. Dr. Men reminded, eating less keeps you light, and eating often allows for care. Slowing life's pace lets health flow naturally, like a quiet, steady stream.